Hello and welcome. In this video, we are going to give you an impartial review when we are covering 5 best hoverboard seat attachments in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are trying to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick is Hiboy HC-01 Hoverboard Seat, best for adults. You know adults can also enjoy hoverboards and hoverkarts. The manufacturer of the Hiboy HC-01 Hoverboard Seat probably thought the same thing. The hoverboard attachment looks and feels sturdy. The plastic seat is surprisingly comfortable, and the handles are just at the right height, not to mention they are also padded. The frame is, of course, adjustable, and so are the footpads. The front wheel is not the best but gets the job done. As for the body, it's made out of steel and is extremely durable, not to mention lightweight. However, I would not recommend going off-road with this one. Now, this hoverboard attachment has been marketed as the most versatile on the market, and that is due to two things: the ergonomic seat and the maximum weight limit of 270 pounds. At first, I decided to test this out by stacking bricks on the hoverboard seat, but then I realized how stupid it was and scrapped the idea. My second method worked way better. I sat down in the seat and put my little nephew on my shoulders. Luckily for us, the seat did not collapse, so I would say the 270 pounds limit is pretty accurate. Number 2. Our second best pick is ULIKEIT Hoverboard Seat Attachment, best hoverboard attachment for kids. The ULIKEIT hoverboard seat attachment will let you cruise downhill with the ease of a sparrow. No, that analogy does not make sense to me either. However, my point is that if you want maneuverability to your heart's content, then this hoverboard attachment is for you. The HoovyKart has 2 perfectly placed handles which make steering a lot easier. It also has 2 Velcro straps which are used to attach the hoverboard itself. Of course, the seat comes in a few different colors, so you can mix and match with your personal self-balancing scooter. The front wheel of the HoovyKart is big and sturdy enough that you can traverse most uneven terrain. Of course, this will also depend on your electric scooter. However, the manufacturer itself recommends you take it easy at first, and try to simply drive it on a smoothly paved road. Likewise, if you do find yourself speeding downhill, the aluminum alloy and steel frame will make sure no matter the crash that your hoverboard is safe and sound. The Kart seat of course has an adjustable frame length and back support. So even if you buy this for your kid, you can still have a go at it when no one is looking, I won't tell. Number 3. Our third best pick is HoovyKart Conversion Kit, fits nearly all hoverboards. The HoovyKart Conversion Kit is a safe and fun little hoverkart that is perfect for children. The design of this hoverboard seat is nothing unusual. You have 2 perfectly placed handles with padded foam, each of which provides a comfortable grip, allowing for smoother steering, as well as 2 footpads. While they might not be as good as the Go Bowen hoverkart, they are still top tier. The leg bar connecting the footpads to the main body is adjustable, meaning you can fit it to your comfort or your child's. While the front wheel provides a 360 degrees rotation, it will be easier to turn in whichever direction you are going. All that is amazing and all, but I have to say that my favorite part of this particular hoverboard attachment is that it comes pre-built. You only need to strap it to your self-balancing scooter, and you're good to go. It doesn't even take 2 minutes. If you don't know, I test these hoverboard kits with my little nephew, and most of the time, he has his own opinion about things. In this case, he tends to agree with me. Now, since the little dude is such an opinionated child, I have decided to let him help me with the rest of this hoverboard review. According to him, the Go hoverboard, as he is fond of calling them, is fun and all, but the seat is a bit stiff. I am reiterating, of course. If I let the lil dude write this, it would be filled with grammatical errors. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is HooverOne Raptor Hoverboard Buggy Attachment, best gimmick in a hoverboard attachment. We have arrived at the first of the HooverOne brothers. Yes, there will be more of this brand, spoiler alert. The HooverOne Raptor makes you feel like you are riding a sports car, partly due to the slick design but mostly because of the dual boosters at the back. The boosters themselves don't do much apart from glow with some bright LED lights and roar like a race car. You can see how the Hover one quickly became my nephew's favorite. However, while the boosters may seem like a gimmick, the rest of the hoverboard attachment does not. Despite being made of a single plastic piece, the seat is decently comfy, and the handlebars, while a bit too low for my liking, are padded for extra comfort. Below the hoverboard seat are a pair of spring coils that act as a shock absorber and add to the experience, making for a much more comfortable ride. As for the frame, it is, of course, adjustable, and the wheel is decent enough. However, the footpads are not the best quality, and adjusting the frame can be a bit of a pain. Even with that, this hoverboard go-kart is really maneuverable, and the shock-absorbent coils together with the wheel make for the perfect combination if you want to go off-road. In fact, the manufacturer advertises this kart as one for camping and hiking, so I decided to test it out. Number 5. Last but not the least, our fifth best pick is Hover 1 Beast Buggy, Best Off-Road Hoverboard Attachment. While we are on the topic of off-road hoverboard kits, we have the second of the three Hover 1 brothers, and that is the Hover 1 Beast Buggy. To quote my nephew when he first saw this monstrosity, "Wow. The first part you should know about the Beast Buggy is that it only works with 10-inch hoverboards, in other words, off-road ones." Needless to say, this is one of the bigger entries on this list and certainly one of the heaviest. The design starts off simple enough with a standard single-piece hoverboard seat. However, you soon find yourself staring at two large shock absorber coils on either side and realize that this hoverkart is far from simple. The main body is, of course, adjustable, and the footrest, although a bit different, does the job well enough. However, I would still prefer to rest my feet on the padded version instead of this metal plate one. Now, when I say, mega wheel, what do you imagine? For me, it's this particular one. The hoverkart has a massive front wheel that is almost as big as the hoverboard ones. Of course, you can expect this monstrosity to take you anywhere, and rightly so. Although I did not go camping with my nephew a second time, I decided to test this one outdoors as well. I have to tell you that if you are looking for a smooth ride no matter where you go, this beast is the one for you, that is if you don't mind the price. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.